Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Dart Rally with the Blacktop Edition. Stock number B9544P. Only 18,000 miles in this one owner. Clean auto check history report, pitch black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, cloth interior. The Dart is in the compact car class, but has the interior space of a mid-sized car. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. This Rally has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 35 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.